I'm not sure this was a good idea, carrying the contents of my fridge. I'm being a bit frugal today. Maybe I should have put this in some kind of receptacle rather than carry the bowl. If I slip on here, it's going to be rather messy. I'm beginning to think this was a stupid idea. Oh, finally. As you all know, prices are going up everywhere in the shops. Well, just about everything's going up in price. So today, what I thought I'd do is just get some bits out of my fridge and a bit rough and ready and make a nice little meal. And we're going to use Firebox Freestyle. I've turned everything round so the cameraman who's with me today can get this in, otherwise he just fall off the ledge there trying to film this. I broke the Firebox Freestyle down and I'm just using it with those bits in the bag. Carried me eggs in there. I got 2 of them and they survived really well. As I got the cameraman with me today, I'm making him a nice cup of coffee before we get started. Got a slight change of plan. I stupidly forgot a windshield. So what I'm going to do is try and use this. That should work a bit better. I'm all set up, but I seem to be missing my sausage. There he is. Got Spanish hot dog today. So if I just cut him up to get him going. As I said earlier, I'm having a bit of a frugal day to show you that you don't need all this fancy food that you can buy if you go out camping. You can just use bits out your fridge. Have a bit of oil. Do some simple cooking. I absolutely hate cooking in the wind. It just makes life so difficult. Hence, that's why I've got this set up here, because I forgot me windshield. What I've also got is some veg left over from Sunday lunch in a bag, and I've got some sauce that I had lying about in the fridge, because she was probably wondering what the hell I was doing carrying this bowl about. Oh, man down. Oh no. Never mind. Veg is going to go in next. I can use this as my rubbish bag to put all my bits in. Remember, take your rubbish home with you, people. And then we're going for the big boy sauce. I just remembered that had some mince in it as well. To that we're going to throw in some garlic. Like a bit of garlic. And some white pepper. Beautiful job. And then we put a lid on. Let's have a look at him. Hopefully he's not burnt on the bottom. No, it's beautiful. It's turned out to be a far bigger meal than what I thought. We'll keep him cooking through. I was going to fry my eggs off, but what I'm going to do is just crack a couple of eggs in there, hopefully without the shell, and they should cook really well. Oh no, broke the yolk. Never mind, let's try again. That's better. Just to let you know how bleak this is today in summer, this is where we are. It's proper bleak, and it's a bit chilly as well in this wind. Let's have a little look. Needs a bit more. Come back in a minute. Just so you can see, this is how we've improvised everything. This is my mat that I use, my fold up mat. It offers a lot of stability in the back of my bag, which is lovely. I'm kind of using it as a windshield today with the table, just so we can do this. Right, should be about done. I've got an egg that's overdone, and I've got another egg that just needs a little bit more. Let's see if that'll just cook through the egg white. I think we're all done. Shame about that little man down just there, but I'm not going to risk eating that. How did we do? Eggs a bit hard. Take that and a bit of sausage. What do you reckon? Not bad for leftovers. Absolutely lovely. Nice bit of warming food on a chilly June day. So there you have it. Leftovers al fresco. I'm going to share this with the cameraman now. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. InfoShed out. Ready? I'm all set up, but I seem to be missing my sausage. There he is. I got it. You ready? Go again? Are we going?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. So there you have it. Leftovers al fresco. What did I say before?
I don't know, what did you say?
Oh, alright then. Right, that's alright. Go one more time.